Three indicators beginner crypto traders should use. First one is a linear regression channel, which shows a trend channel within which the price of an asset fluctuates with an upper bound, lower bound and median trend line in the middle. When the price touches the lower bound, it's a buy signal, and when it touches the upper bound, expect a correction, and that's a sell signal. The next one is the fear and greed index that measures a sentiment in the market and generates a single number between 1 and 100. When the score is lower, the market is in a state of fear, meaning people are selling, causing prices to drop, and when the scores are high, it means people are greedily buying, driving prices higher. Third one is simple and exponential moving averages. If price is above its moving average, it is in an uptrend, and the moving average provides support for the price to bounce off. And if the price is below the moving average, it is in a downtrend, and the moving average in that case behaves as a resistance.